Academy Online. Sir Jester, are you there? Hello to
Yes,
everyone.
Dayan. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Dayan. Welcome to our
Yes,
Academy Online. First, Ion Academy Online. Oh, yeah.
exactly. So welcome
Salamat.
everyone.
Oo,
Mhm.
36,000 na tayo, guys.
More to come. So sa mga kasama niyong wala pa dito, we would like to ask you guys to tap your co-seller or broker or unit manager na wala pa dito. If they wanted to join, they can join.
Alright, sige.
Okay, so today or this afternoon, we are very thrilled to have you guys because this afternoon, we would like to take this opportunity to connect, share insights, and gain valuable updates to help you thrive in the real estate industry, especially in Aeon Lab. So for our agenda, sa ano ba yung technical team natin with the agenda for today.
Babasahin mo na lang daw yan kasi hindi makapasok yung sound.
Alright, nawala ang ating PPT. But for the agenda, this afternoon, that will be kada
Ayun, meron na. Sorry for technical glitch.
and
First time natin. Ayan. So, expectedly, may mga technical glitch talaga tayo, no? So, no problem with that. Go ahead.
yes. So again, our agenda, go technical team, kaya nyo yan.
Next slide.
Next slide, please.
Ayan.
Ayun. So, first up, Karayawan updates. Promo updates by Sir Jester. And then also we will be giving some construction update, then followed by August marketing promos and events and the 5 sales strategies during sales presentation. So if you have questions, drop it in the chat and then later on we will try to answer everything. If we cannot answer, then we will park that one and then get back to you through your sales manager. Okay? Okay. So, Sir Jester, I think you go ahead and start your exciting, very exciting Kadayawan promo update.
All right.
And now we're at actually at 43. Nice.
Ayan. Nakikita man ng lahat yan, no?
Yes.
Right. Again, welcome everyone, no, to our first ever Aeon Academy Online. So alam naman namin na hindi po lahat nakadalo last second quarter awarding. So ngayon, sa lahat po ng mga hindi pa nakaalam about our promos and incentives dito po sa Aeon Lux, maririnig nyo na via Aeon Academy Online. And of course, sa lahat din po ng mga hindi nakasali ngayon, no? Sayang hindi sila makakatanong. We can also post this live event natin ngayon via our Aeon Business Group right after the event. So welcome again. So again, Kadayawan na po, 40th Kadayawan Festival na ng Davao City and August na po, bukas na po yan magsisimula, no? So here are our promos and incentives starting this Kadayawan, no? So, just imagine, sabi ko nga sa aming mga bisita last time dito po sa ating quarterly awarding, kung kayo po may benta na po na condo, you are different dahil we all know mahirap po, no? Mahirap talagang magbenta ng condominium units. Tama po ba, no? So, kaya we are encouraging you to join our Aeon Academy online always so that we may have some exchange of ideas on how to close your deal, no? So, just tell every one of you na nandyan, nagsama-sama, sabihan niyo po lahat ng inyong mga katabi, you are different because kung hindi pa ka nakabenta, malay mo, no? Ngayong taon, makabenta ka na ng condominium units. Alright? Just to share with you our quarterly sales, no? In fact, thank you. Salamat kayo sa tanan, no? Sabay-sabay naman tayong pumalakpak because quarter 2 brings 850 million worth of sales sa Aeon Lux po. And i-compare po natin sa quarter 1, that is 30% sales increase compared to previous quarter. And I think times 2 po, no? Times 3 ng quarter 4 2024 ang ating pong sales this last quarter po, second quarter. So, salamat kayo sa tanan na nag-contribute ni Annie. And just imagine guys, no? 850 million, how many condo units po ang nabenta ni Aeon? Sa Aeon lang po yan. And kung nagtataka kayo or worried kayo, baka hindi, wala naman akong mabenta na condo units. No, meron pong mabibentahan ng condo units, no? So just imagine 850 million worth of sales just for 3 months, no? So meron talagang bumibili po ng condominium. All right? Next. So our Kadayawan promo for our buyers, 40% discount on down payment po sa lahat po ng ating tower units in Tower 1, 2, and 3. No, phase 1 po ng Aeon Blue. Okay, Aeon Blue po ito, 40% discount on down payment. So, Aeon Blue po, phase 1. So, this mid-year po, July hanggang December po, ang focus po na sinasabi namin magbenta po tayo sa phase 1 dahil nandun po ang may discount, nandun po ang malaking incentive sa phase 1 ngayon. And don't worry because our equity in phase 1, kahit na po ma-turnover na yan next year, pwede pong i-extend up to 36 months. No? So, ang kagandahan lang, well, yung ating phase 2 po, nandyan pa rin. Kung may naghahanap ng Reso, may naghahanap ng Tower 6, pero yung kanilang equity long-term, 48 months. Pero, kung konti lang naman ang diferensya, why not phase 1? Dahil meron po tayong pa-incentive dyan. Alright? So, yan. Meron din po tayong sa Aeon Towers naman, meron tayong equity promo, no, sa Aeon Towers. So Aeon Towers tayo. Okay, ito po yung ready for occupancy units natin. Inuulit po natin, may 4 po tayong payment term sa Aeon Towers. Unang-una po, pwede pa rin po yung pay standard. Ano po yung pay standard? Kung hindi naman nagmamadali si client sa Aeon Towers niya, kahit na ready for occupancy na, meron pa rin siyang 22 months to pay po yung equity payment term. Again, hindi po nagmamadali. Pwede pa rin pong 22 months yung payment term. Meron po siyang 10% discount on TLP. Ngayon, kung kaya niya naman 12 months lang, ito yung standard offer talaga natin yon. Kung hindi talaga nagmamadali si client at saka meron pa siyang something na ayusin sa financials niya, okay lang yung standard. Pero pag pumasok na yung client nyo sa pay light, pay early, at saka pay less, mas maganda dahil ito po yung may malaking incentive. Ano naman yung pay light, no? 10% discount po on TLP, pero dapat 12 months equity payment, may kasama na po yung 100,000 appliance voucher po sa ating client. So 12 months equity, 10% discount on TLP, may kasama na pong 100,000 appliance voucher, no? Pero kung kaya niya naman 6 months equity po, ito po yung tinatawag nating pay early. Ito po yung 12% discount down on total list price plus appliance voucher. Ito po yung 6 months equity. Ibig sabihin, pag mag-reserve siya ngayon, within 6 months, approved na po yung loan niya, take out na po yung loan niya. Meron po siyang additional 2% discount on TLP plus appliance voucher, no? Ngayon, kung maganda naman ang estado ni client at nagmamadali naman siyang i-occupy po yung ating units dito sa Ion Towers, na kung makikita nyo yung building na nasa likod po ng screen, yan po yung Ion Towers. No? Ngayon, may mga client na tayo na gusto ng mag-spot. So, pag-reserve, automatic within 45 days, nag-spot siya whether cash or bank financing, plus 5% discount na po on TLP. So 15% discount on down payment na siya plus 100,000 appliance voucher. O di ba? Malaki na yung ating discount for spot. Sabihan niyo na si client yun, ma'am. Di ba? Konting-konti na lang kaya ng spot 'yan. Di ba? At least malaki yung diskwento mo. Magagamit mo na unit mo, may 100,000 appliance voucher ka pa, no? So within 45 days, na spot on payment po yan. So yan po ang tinatawag nating payless. So sir, bakit marami po tayong option sa buyer? At bakit ganito po yung payment options? Dahil connected din po yan sa ating marireceive na incentive mamaya. Alright? So yun. So for buyer's equity promo, alright. So bakit? Ito po yung seller incentives natin. No? So for pay standard, ito po yung yung 22 months. Dati yung ating group incentive, realty incentive is 100,000 pesos. Ngayon, pinalaki na natin. Ginawa na nating 200,000 pesos ang payment, ang ating incentive, cash incentive po sa Aeon Towers, no? So dinoble na po natin sa mga standard kasi ito yung lagpak pag more than 12 months na 100,000 na lang incentive pero pinalaki na po natin, naging 200,000 na po. However, if pay light, pay early, or pay less, kahit saan dito ang option ni buyer, no? Pag studio, of course, 200,000 na rin ang incentive natin. Okay? Pwede rin ang 1 bedroom, Toyota Vios na, 1 unit, 1 Vios po. No? Regardless po, pag pay light, pay early, pay less, basta kahit saan ditong tatlo, pag 1 bedroom, Toyota Vios po yung incentive natin. Okay? Pag 2 bedroom naman po, 1 million pesos po yung ating incentive, no? So mamimili lang kayo pag pay light na. Ibig sabihin lang nito, walang lalagpas ng 12 months na bank takeout na ni client. Kung 1 bedroom yan, Toyota Vios, and 2 bedroom, 1 million. So napakadali po, 1 unit lang. Diba? Just imagine. So, pag-usapan natin yan mamaya kung paano at paano maghanap ng client na pang Vios, no? Alright. So, ito po yung gusto namin i-explain sa inyo dahil hindi po ito na-explain last time sa ating no? So, general terms and mechanics natin. Alright. This is only exclusive for Aeon Towers na benta po natin and prior sales are not applicable. Incentive duration po from July 1 to December 31. So, malayo-layo pa po. Pwede pa kayong maghanap po ng qualified na client for Aeon Towers until December. No, in case of change of terms, ito rin po, final incentive will be based on final terms and the takeout date of the unit. So, ibig sabihin, kahit na po ang option ni buyer ay pay early, lumagpas po siya ng 12 months, ibig sabihin, consider po yan pay standard. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? Kung ano yung final, yung date of takeout ng unit, yun po ang final natin na payment term. So, kahit na nag-pay early si madam, si sir, yung kanyang sinabi upon reservation, pero in actual, nabayaran niya yung kanyang unit, naka-bank takeout siya after 12 months, say on the 13th month, on the 15th month, on the 20th month, 200,000, mawawala na lang ang ating incentive doon, mawawala na po yung car incentive natin at saka 1 million incentive. Okay? Kasi po, ito pong ating car incentive tsaka 1 million incentive, time is of the essence. So, ibig sabihin, walang lalagpas ng 12 months. Okay? So, kayang-kaya natin yan. Mas galingan lang natin paghanap ng qualified client. And then, car turnover will be upon unit turnover and full payment of TCP and other charges, no? So kasi may ma-experience kami na, sir, bakit hindi pa na-release yung car namin? Eh, bayad naman na bank takeout na. Meron pa po tayong other charges na sometimes nanineglect po ni client na sa presentation din natin yan, sa sample computation. Bayaran pa rin po ni client yung other charges, which is yung pagbayad ng tax, transfer fee natin. So, kung mabayaran niya na yan, automatic po, i-release po natin yung car incentive po sa inyo agad. Ano, or the 1 million pesos. Full cash incentive will be given upon unit turnover, and initial cash incentive is based on the previous memo kasi meron po tayo pag cash incentive, based din po tayo doon sa previous memo. Okay? At saka of course, kung may nakikita po ang management na mas magandang incentive or merong abuse of the incentive scheme, the management may revise the promotions anytime. And sellers with special incentives cannot avail these standard incentives unless with management approval. In case of conflict, sellers have an option to choose what is favorable to them. So, nilalagay po namin tong general terms kasi minsan gusto talaga natin makuha yung account, 'di ba? Marami po kaming client sa Ion Towers na, sir, bigyan niyo po kami ng malaki pang in discount kasi si client talagang gusto niyang kumuha provided ganito yung discount na ibibigay mo. So ngayon nagkakaroon tayo ng negotiation. So pag meron ng change of the special incentive, automatic hindi na po covered yung car incentive and yung atin pong 1 million incentive doon, no? Unless with management approval, eh kung konti lang naman na diferensya, 1 month lang na delay or something, so long na may management approval, kayang-kaya din po natin maklaim yung VIOS na yan. And in case of conflict naman, no? O ng mga promos, ng mga incentive, no? So sellers have an option to choose what is favorable po sa inyo. Alright? So long na hindi po patong-patong yung ating mga incentives, no? Okay, for Aeon Blue, ito na. Kanina, 'di ba sabi ko yung Aeon Blue meron siyang 40% sa phase 1. Ito lang, effective tomorrow guys sa phase 2, Aeon Blue Reso, Aeon Blue Tower 6, wala na po tayong discount, no? Pero sa Aeon Blue phase 1, may 40% discount on down payment po tayo. Plus, ito pong fast track promotions natin for Aeon Blue phase 1. So ano ba yung fast track promotion, sir? Okay, I encourage nyo I really encourage you pag phase 1 po yung client ninyo, pa-reserve nyo na po ng 100,000 dahil pwede pong ma-waive yung kanyang equity payments after 12 months of payment. Kasi ngayon, meron tayong 36 months payment na sa Aeon Blue phase 1 kahit na next year yan mato-turn over. Ngayon, nag-reserve siya ngayon and after 12 months, sinabi namin, ready na po yung unit niyo for turnover na po. Yung client nyo ngayon, instead magbabayad siya ng 13th month hanggang 36 months, ang ginawa po niya, tinake out niya po yung kanyang unit on the 12th month. Na-approve siya ng loan, na bank take out, nagbayad ng other charges. Ang gagawin po natin, yung 13th month niya na equity hanggang 36 months equity niya, hindi na po natin ipapabayad sa kanya. Okay? So waive na po ang kanyang equity, no? So after the year payment and full payment of the bank account. So mangyayari po yung waiving after 12 months po. So ang diskarte dyan, ngayon pa lang or after 6 months, ipapabank pre-approve na po natin si client para pag qualified na siya for bank loan, sabihan gusto mo ba client, ma-waive yung inyong equity, hindi nyo na bayaran yan, diretso na kayo turnover ng unit nyo, nako, avail nyo na yung fast track promotion. Again, this is applicable for Aeon Blue Phase 1 only. Alright? So ito yon ating mechanics. Client must reserve 100,000 within the month of reservation period to avail this promotion. Ano yung ibig sabihin? Sir, kasi ganito yan, August 1, may dala akong client. Nabigla siya, pero ang gusto niya, ang nadala niya lang pera, 25,000, gusto niyang ma-avail yung fast track. Don't worry. So long na kung August siya nag-reserve, kailangan mabuo niya yung 100,000 within August, ma-avail niya pa rin yung fast track promotion. Kasi alam naman namin, minsan, hindi prepared si client ng 100,000, pero kaya niyang punan after a day, after a week. Don't worry, dahil pasok pa rin yan sa fast track promotion. And client can still avail, ito rin ang maganda. Existing pa rin po yun yung kapag 25,000 ang bayad ni client, meron siyang 100,000 na appliance voucher. Pag 50,000 naman, meron siyang 150,000 appliance voucher. Effective pa rin po yan sa lahat ng towers. Pero pag 100,000 ang reservation niya, ang sinasabi ng mechanics, kasama pa rin yung 200,000 appliance voucher niya. No, meron makaka-avail pa rin po siya nun. Subject to terms and condition, ang condition lang na malala doon is kailangan mabook nyo yung account within 60 days. Okay? And this term, this fast track promotion is applicable only in 1585 payment term. Okay? And client can avail a 40% discount in down payment within 36 months equity period. So, ang dami na, no? May 40% discount on down payment na siya, may 200 appliance voucher pa siya, plus meron pa siyang 36 months or 24 months na pwedeng ma-waive sa equity niya. Alright? Hindi lang yan. Meron din para sa inyo mamaya. No? So, fast track promotion, upon RFO of the unit, after 1 year of equity payment, client may apply for a loan, and once approved and take out, together with the payment of other charges, unpaid monthly payments for equity will automatically be waived. And I hope it is clear, no? Klaro naman, no? So prior sales, transfers, and with special discounts cannot avail this program. All right? This is only for Aeon Blue Phase 1 clients. For Aeon Blue Phase 1 clients that cannot avail the promotion, they can still avail the 40% discount on down payment and appliance voucher based on previous scheme. Alright. So halimbawa, ito na yung halimbawa natin ngayon, guys, no? Ito po yung ating Tower 1 condominium studio. Alright, 6.3 yung total price. Nag-reserve si client ng 100,000 pesos. Price net of reservation is 6.2. Yung total down payment niya is 952,000. Less discount natin na 40%, which is 300. Napakalaki po ng discount natin. 380,000. Less yung ni-reserve niya po na 100,000. Ang down payment niya ay 471,000 na lang. In 36 months, meaning, ang kanyang monthly payment is 13,090. Just imagine, after 12 months of paying 13,000, na-approve siya ng bank, and nagbayad siya ng other charges niya na 500,000. After that, on the 12 months talaga, bayad siya ng unit niya. Hindi niya na po babayaran yung 13,000 per month, starting 13th month to 36 months. Just imagine magkano ang tinipid ni client. Di ba? Meron na siyang tipid na 13,000 times 24 months doon. Right? Sana maganda na tong offer sa inyong client. Di ba? Ayan, meron na rin po tayo guys. Starting July 1 po itong seller incentive program natin na 1 unit VIOS, no? Dati po, January to June 30, yung atin pong applicable lang ng seller incentive program na VIOS is agent alone. Ngayon, kasali na rin ang ating unit manager and broker sa ating program. Tama? So, agents, 35 million sales beginning July 1 hanggang December 31. More or less, 6 na unit na studio na lang. Or, kung 1 bedroom yan, combination ng 2 bedroom, baka 3 hanggang 4 na unit na lang. May views ka na sa Aeon Lux. Alright? And unit manager, 2 active agents lang kailangan namin na nagbebenta ng Aeon Blue. Alright? Na phase 1. Malay mo, makaabot ng 75 million yung sales nila. Kahit yung 2 active lang. No? More or less 7 units or 10 units yan. May views ka na rin, unit manager. And of course, a broker, 150 million net. Alright? So dati walang unit manager, walang broker. Ngayon, lahat kayo pwede nang makakuha ng VIOS coming from our Aeon Blue project. Okay? Again, for the mechanics, this is also exclusive for Aeon Blue, phase 1 only. Incentive duration from July 1 na benta hanggang December 31. Hindi po kasali yung mga canceled accounts, no? Say for example, naka 35 million ka, sad to say, yung isa nag-back out. Sorry, di ba? Kaya ang payo namin sa ating mga agents, damihan niyo po yung benta para marami po tayong buffer, no? And of course, quality accounts para hindi agad cancel, no? And car turnover will be upon unit turnover of clients included in this program. So ngayon, ganito yan. Naka 35 million ka. May 10 million dyan na turnover ng 2026. Yung 10 million dyan na turnover ng 2027. Yung 15 million, 2028 pa na turnover dahil meron tayong 36 months equity payment. 2028 mo pa makuha yung 35 million. Anong tulong ng Aeon Lux sa iyo para next year maaari mo nang makuha yung VIOS mo? Kahit na 36 months ang equity payment, dahil inavail ng client mong fast track promotions, lahat ng client mo pwedeng mapasok, ma-turnover next year, kuha mo rin next year yung inyong VIOS. Kaya mas maganda pag yung client nyo pasok sa fast track promotion. Okay? So of course, sales value will be based on net of discount after the fast track promotion is availed only if applicable. Alright? So maganda, mag-buffer tayo. Ang phase 2 natin, wala tayong promotions at the moment sa phase 2 dahil konti na lang yung phase 2 natin and ang ating focus ngayon kasi gusto talaga ni Aeon magbigay ng VIOS sa bawat ahente kasi nakakatulong naman talaga yung transportation sa ating mga agents. Alright? So for phase 1 and phase 2 buyers promo, upon reservation, applicable pa rin yung 100,000 appliance voucher, 150,000 appliance, and 200,000 appliance. So disregard the total discount, total promo sa baba. Alright? Alright. So ito rin, seller cash incentive, applicable pa rin yan sa studio, 1 bedroom ang 2 bedroom. Contact your brokerage agency for more details of our cash incentive, no? Regardless of the promos, the incentives, regardless of the anong term ginawa nila, phase 1 ba or phase 2, of course, meron pa rin po tayong cash incentive na standard natin. Alright? And applicable pa rin, baka kalain nyo, si Aeon Blue, si Reso natin, may office space for sale dyan. So maring may mga client kayo naghahanap ng office space na purely office space po sa Tower 4, no? Zero down payment po tayo ngayon at 20% equity and 60 months to pay, no? So 10% RF reservation fee pa for 15% equity and 60 months to pay. So mamimili lang kayo niyan. 0 down payment, 20% equity, 60 months, or kung may 10,000 reservation fee siya, pwede ang 1585 sa kanya, may 60 months. Alright? So, yun lang. General conditions, management may revise the promotion anytime. Kung may nakita kaming mas magandang promo at incentive sa inyo, prior sales transfers and special pricing cannot avail this promotion, and sellers with special incentives cannot avail these standard incentives unless with management approval. Alright? So, I think yan muna sa ngayon. Ma'am Dayan, klaro naman siguro sa tanan ang ato ang promo. For more informations about sa atin pong promo, please contact your sales manager. No, you can chat them kung paano 'yon, no, yung promos na 'yon, anong applicable sa inyo. So, you can contact your sales manager. Dayan?
Yes, and thank you so much, Sir Jester, sa mga updates. So, if you have any questions, I think we can allot 5 minutes to 10 minutes Q&A, Sir Jess, after all the presentation.
Yes, and if you can send a message via our chat, no, sa Zoom chat, so we can also be ready with your questions, no?
Okay. Now, let's move on to the events that we have this August. So, technical team, I need your help. Can we pull up the PowerPoint presentation, please?
Yan, by the way, before we proceed pala sa ating promo, marketing promos natin,
Mm-hmm.
I will also share our construction update sa Ion Blue. Nakalimutan ko, sorry guys. Ito na nga siya. Alright, ito na nga siya, Dayan, no? Ang ating Ion Blue construction update, yung ano na ba, no? Kumusta na, no? Anyway, our turnover will be next year na po sa phase 1. Ito na po yung itsura, no, ng ating construction. To your left, meron na po, tinatapos na po nila yung swimming pool. Yung first natin na magagamit, no, yung 16 pools, magagamit din po yan ng ating mga phase 1 buyers agad-agad. Alright? And then, nag-inspection kami kanina doon sa site. Ongoing na po yung installation din ng mga cabinets and tiles ng ating mga unit owners, no, sa Tower 1, Tower 2 natin ng mga, and of course, si Tower 3. So, ongoing na yung installation of cabinets. Libre lang po yan sa ating client and tiles, no? And we also check the setup of the kitchen area of our units, no? Ito na po, na-set up na. Ito yung mga mock-up unit natin. Ito na po yung itsura, no, final look of our kitchen area. And sa kabila naman, kitchen area ng mga 2-bedroom area. So, yan na po. And also, nag-i-install na po din po sila ng windows, no? Sa ating phase 1 project. Nako, napakaganda po. Kanina nandiyan kami ni Dayan, no? Ganda po ng view, maaliwalas.
Yes.
Sa lower ground, nakikita na nila yung swimming pool. Sa taas naman, mas maganda yung viewing ng city view at saka scenery, no?
And take note, very mahangin yung
Yes.
pagdating natin doon, Sir Jess.
Chinek din namin kung maganda yung pagka-install ng mga cabinets. Maganda naman, very pulido. And ito na rin nga, Dayan, no? We are very excited dahil akala ninyo drawing lang yung ating Aeon Blue na swimming pool. Nako, nag-inspection kami on-site kanina. Napakalaki ng swimming pool, no, natin, no? Talagang masasabi mo, it is a resort type residences, no? So,
Hindi talaga tinipid.
Yes, hindi tinipid. Malaki yung area. Alam mo, hint lang sa ating mga buyers, no? Itong kagandahan ng high-rise building kasi, pag gumamit ka ng swimming pool, may mga areas, ito, napakaganda ng design ng Ion Blue dahil, di ba yan? Walang init. 10:30 kami pumunta kanina. Kami
Yes.
dyan sa swimming pool, tingnan niyo naman, walang init yung swimming pool natin. Kaya kahit yung mga magche-check-in ninyo ng mga guests later on, napakaganda po ng oras na minsan kasi mag-check-in tayo gabi na, tapos pagka morning na tayo mag-swimming, eh mainit yung swimming pool ng iba, no? So sorry. Pero dito po sa Iyon Blue, naku,
Wala.
walang init. Pwede kang maligo hanggang 11:11. Tutok ng araw siguro 12 noon, pero sabi ng aming engineering team, alas 4 ng hapon, tamang-tama, nag-check-in ng alas 2, alas 4 ng hapon, wala na rin pong init dyan. So just imagine, napakaganda po ng ating swimming pool area natin. 16 pools po yan, malalaki po, no? So, salamat, and also nag-install na rin sila ng ating mga glass sa lahat po ng ating mga rooms. Alright? Salamat yan.
All right. Thank you, Sir Jester, for the update. So, sa mga sellers and brokers na, and also the unit managers na gustong pumunta ng site for site trips, please do reach out sa sales manager ninyo to schedule. Okay? So, anytime, as long as nakaschedule lang tayo for site trips. Now, moving on sa ating mga marketing updates, aside sa mga promo na pinalabas ni Sir Jess, we also have additional promo sa ating mga buyers and also sa sellers. So that's the exciting part. Okay, next slide. All right, so let's start with what will happen on August 2025. Next slide.
Mag-slide ako,
Okay, so starting on August 2, we will be having our Digos PKS. That's Grand PKS Digos. So sa mga taga Digos dyan, pa-react naman sa ating Zoom. So see you there sa Digos PKS on August 2. And also, a week after, meron tayong Digos Open House. That's what we call Digos Roadshow, wherein you can bring your clients during that time para mapresentan as well sa ating sales team. And, sorry, may correction pala. August 15 daw, open house ng Jansanya. I stand corrected, that is August 15, Jansan Open House. August 16, 15 and 16, dito sa showroom, that's Kadayawan Open House. So, any questions with the events, if makalimutan nyo, you can still reach out to our sales manager. And finally, the highlight of August, next slide please, is on August 29, our ANLAX Kadayawan night. So hopefully makita mo tanan, our sellers, unit managers, and brokers. Ticket will be 400 pesos, but during the August promotion, here are our what you call that,
Wang Ising.
Yes. So who's excited to meet Wang Ising for the first time?
Kasama niya ba si James?
Kasama niya si James, yes, and kasama niya yung dalawang performer din.
Alright.
Very exciting.
Oh, so hindi nakakilala kay Wang Ising. Just search sa Facebook Wang Ising TV, no?
Yeah, so next slide please. Okay, in line with our August events and celebration, we, aside from the promotions we have from Sir Jester, we also have promotion sa buyer side natin. So kung sino man yung mga clients nyo na makapag 25K, 50K, and 100K RF, these are the gift certificates that they will be receiving. So sa mga 25K reservation fee, merong 500 worth of Club Aeon GC si buyer. Pag 50K, 1,000 naman. And if mag-down ng 100K and above, that's Aeon Staycation. Okay? And next, for our sellers promo. Okay, so in line with the events, sa seller side naman, every time na meron kayong dalhin sa showroom or even sa satellite office sa Jensen ng isang kliyente lang, kahit isa, regardless if magbabayad si client or hindi, meron na kayong 50% discount sa standard ticket natin sa Aeon Lux Kadayawan Night. So instead na 400 yung babayaran nyo, we will cut that into half, so 200 na lang. And then for successful sale, kung sino man yung mga sellers na meron ng sale from August 1 to 29, meron silang free ticket. So kunwari ikaw as seller, meron kang dalawang kliyenteng bumili ng any unit ng projects ng Aeon Lux, you will get 2 free tickets as well. So that is free tickets to Aeon Lux Kadayawan Night. At the same time, the broker and unit manager will also get 50% off automatic sa mga sellers na makapagbenta or may successful sale. Yung unit manager and the broker will get 50% off voucher sa premium ticket for the August 9 Aeon Lux Kadayawan Night. So yun, very exciting kasi this will be the first time that we invited a vlogger to Aeon Lux in celebration of the Kadayawan.
And this is exclusive Dayan, no, sa ating mga sellers lang, no. Aeon Lux Kadayawan Night is exclusive to our partner sellers.
Yes, partner sellers, brokers, lahat ng mga nagbebenta, even the marketing partner as well is included. Exclusive dito sa ating Kadayawan events.
Yung difference lang is yung standard ticket can be used, each person can use only one standard ticket at a time, but the premium ticket, you can use at least 2 person at a time.
Yeah.
Mga standard ticket, automatic 50% off tayo. Pero pag may benta po yung ating agent, automatic libre na po si agent. Mayroong premium ticket na 50% off si broker at saka si unit manager. At kung meron pang additional benta yung kanilang agent, additional 50% of voucher sa premium ticket. So maaari nang ma-free the unit manager at saka si broker.
Yes, correct. So we will be starting to sell tickets or give tickets from August 1 to 29. Hopefully, lahat ng nandito makikita namin during our Aeon Lux Kadayawan Night. Okay. So I think that is it for the marketing side. Sir Jester, would you like to do the honors in doing the question and answer portion? Any questions from the sellers, broker?
Bebenta na daw sila, yan.
Baka may clarification kayo. Well, we have Sir Jester here.
I think kung wala na, we can proceed to the next topic.
Okay, so if there's no question, then let's proceed to the sales presentation, 5 strategies by Sir Jester. Ayun, Sir Jester, meron pahabol na question.
Ano? Kinabahan ako ha. Wait lang. Magkano po hello po, magkano nga babayaran ni client para ma-waive ang equity? Ma'am, avail niya lang po yung 100,000 na reservation fee. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, pag mag-reserve po siya ng 100,000, meron na siyang 40% discount on down payment. Meron pa siyang 200,000 worth of appliances. And if ever after 1 year, kaya niya nang mag-loan kasi for turnover na ang unit niya, yung ika-13th month hanggang 36 months, pwede na ring ma-waive yung equity niya.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, we will still accepting questions and we will also answer that later, no? So after the presentation. Kasi gusto ko lang i-share to sa inyo para meron namang mga yung iba hindi masyado pang sanay sa pag-present, no? So minsan hindi nila maintindihan bakit ganun mag-present yung mga sales managers natin at paano mag-close. So sinasabi, ito pong ipe-present ko sa inyo, just a quick presentation lang ito. This is the 5 scientific based sales presentation na napatunayan na po na ito ay very effective base na presentation dahil tinitira po nito ang behavior ng tao during the decision of buying. So, this is science-based, napatunayan na maraming mga experiments and research ginawa. Kaya pwede din natin itong gawin dahil effective po ito, no? Sabi nga nila, well, nagkaroon ng research talaga, no, sa lahat po ng mga decision makers, sa lahat po ng bumibili ng whatever products, sinasabi po sa research, the sales presentation matters. Napakahalaga po ng sales presentation ng isang agent para po ma-close yung deal. No, hindi po ito diretso lang na magpe-present ka lang, may papakita ka lang. Kailangan po ito pong presentation mo ay masasabi mong talagang makakapag-close ka ng deal dito. Alright? So sinasabi nga nila, magaling ka daw na sales presenter if ganito ang gawin mo. If money is not an issue to your client, magaling ka kung na-close mo yung sale na ito. Alright? So, number 1, this is only 5 scientific-based approach po na presentation. Number 1, tandaan lang po natin, less really is more. No? So, the idea that offering customer fewer options can lead to better outcomes, including increased sales and greater customer satisfaction, has been supported by a growing body of research. So meron pong ginawang eksperimento, itong nakikita nyo pong picture na ito, ginawa po itong experiment ng isang grocery store. Naglagay po sila ng almost 100 jams sa isang ano nila, hilera ng mga jams nila sa kanilang store. Nung nilagay yung 100 na mga options ng jams, alam niyo anong nangyari? Only 3% out of 100, siguro 3 lang yung may benta na jam sa kanila. Just. Ngayon, on the following week, iniba nila yung strategy nila. Ginawa nila 6 na lang na jam yung tinira nila. No, 6 na jam options na lang yung alam niyo ba magkano benta nila? 900 pieces of jams ang kanilang naibenta. Alright? So anong effect nito? No, yung less is really more. So alam ko naman marami tayong mga dala na mga projects. Alam naman natin na marami tayong mga yung nakwento ko nga sa isang presentation ko, dalta na atong mga agents dayan, no? Atong agents dalta na, no? Apil na ang Maligyan Kondo, Balay, Yuta, Memorial, Memorial
Kasabay.
Plan, kape, vitamins, dala na nato tanan. But remember this, when you present to a client, Pag condo po yung intention yung ibenta sa client, condo lang yung i-present natin. No? Kasi may example nga ako, sabi ko, na happy ka ba na naka-close ka ng kape na worth 350 nang intention mo condo sana yung kukunin niya, 'di ba? So, 'di ba? Just imagine sayang yung pagkakataon. And pag pag marami ng option si client, kahit na naman tayo, 'di ba? Pag marami na tayong alam niyo yung cognitive ano natin, yung brain natin, hindi niya kakayanin ng maraming ano daw, maraming information kang binibigay, no? So, less information, mas maganda. So, when you present our unit, present directly, walang paligoy-ligoy, you just present whatever na feeling mo, ito yung makakapag-close sa kanya. So, yung advice ko sa ating mga client, ng ating mga agents, when you introduce Aeon Blue to your client, you just introduce Aeon Blue. So, wag nyo pa siyang i-juggle kasi meron tayong experience niyan ng mga agents dito, no, na pag pumunta ng showroom, dati pa to, no, na kwento. Pumunta daw ng showroom, tapos qualified naman yung client, so dahil nga yung agents yung nag-handle, sinabi ng agent na wala bang mas mura. So ngayon, pumunta na naman sila sa kabilang showroom, sabi na naman ng client, wala bang mas malapit? Parang mas malayo ito. So sabi ni agent, meron sir, meron tayo. So pumunta naman doon sila sa malapit. So sinabi na naman ni client na pangit man yung ano, yung turnover, no? Pangit man yung design ng condo, no? So at the end of the day, hindi na close na client kasi nga nalilito na yung brain natin, no? So yun yung behavioral studies, nalilito ang brain kung ano yung susundin niya. Meron din itong study kasi na 800 employees ng isang kumpanya, 800 employees. Ang ginawa ng kumpanya, marami silang binigay kasi pinapa-invest nila yung client, yung mga employee nila sa kanilang kumpanya. Marami silang investment option binigay. Pwedeng ganito, pwedeng ganito, pwede nyo ganituhin, pwede konti, pwede. Alam nyo ba, konti lang yung nag-subscribe doon sa investment. So, ginawa nila, nagbigay lang sila ng dalawang option. O, itong gusto mo, ganito yan. Alam nyo ba, 70% ng kanilang employee nag-subscribe doon sa investment option na yun. So hindi kailangan, no? Kumbaga kung happy na si customer dito, wag niya nating dagdagan ng another pa and another pa. So there are time for everything. And when you present, less is really more, no? So be ano no, mindful with the buying buying intention na ni client. Pag meron na siyang questions about specific magkano ba ang reservation, wag niyo nang ituloy yung wag niyo nang mag-closing deal na kayo, wag niyo nang ituloy yung presentation. Diba? Sinabi niya, magkano bang reservation? Sabi niya, wait lang sir, explain ko po yan later. Wag na po. Iko-close din na natin diretso. Hintayin na natin yung mga susunod niyang tanong. So, para ma-follow natin yung less is really more. Okay? Number 2, anchoring. No? Anchoring leverages the human tendency to rely heavily on the first piece of information. That is what we call the anchor when making decisions. Once buyers have an anchor in mind, they subconsciously compare all other price or offers to it, which can shape their perception of value and urgency. Kaya nga, itong pinapakita kong picture, meron itong experiment. Meron tinanong yung isa na nagbebenta ng cookies during Girl Scout campaign. So sinabi ng interviewer sa kanya, kasi record breaking, napakaraming cookies yung naibenta during Girl Scout event. So tinanong siya, bakit ang dami mong benta na cookies during Girl Scout event? So sinabi niya, simple lang. Weird ng sagot niya. Sabi lang, simple lang, tinanong ko lang sila kung willing ba sila donate ng worth 30,000 pesos doon sa Girl Scout event. O, yun ang yun ang sagot niya, ha? So lahat daw ng customer niya, yung pupunta doon sa booth, tinanong niya, sir, are you willing to pay a 30,000 for Girl Scout donation? Are you willing to donate? So obviously, most, if not all, Of course, mahirap. Yeah, 30,000, medyo mahirap ano yan, habulin yan, di ba? So, syempre, most of them cannot give 30,000. So, anong sunod niyang statement? Ganito na lang, sir, para makatulong ka, bili ka na lang ng cookies ko. So if not all, halos lahat ng pumunta sa kanyang booth, bumili na lang ng cookies. Yan ang story niya. So just imagine, anchoring is something na binigay mong presyo na ibig sabihin, pag binigay mo na tong relevant information na ito, pag pumunta ka na doon sa iyong main intention, hindi siya makakatanggi dahil it's either alam niyang mura ka, alam niyang maganda ka, ganun yung anchoring. So in real estate, ginagawa din natin yan, di ba? Yung discount, inuuna natin yung discount. Ngayong araw may discount kami. So ibig sabihin, mayroong sense of urgency sa kanya na bumili. No? Those are our anchor. But one of the effective anchoring in property, particularly in condo rental, dahil minsan kahit na may discount ka, napapatingin yung client nyo doon sa bank amortization, tama? So minsan when we anchor, if you will going to analyze na ma'am, ina-anchor mo na sometimes your equity will be zero, your equity will be lessen. Ma'am, baka yung equity mo niyan, yung bank amortization mo nito na unit na to, mga more or less 5,000 na lang. Diba? Dahil pinaparent mo yung unit mo. More or less, baka wala ka nang babayarang equity or maliit na lang. So in-anchor natin doon yung kanyang mind na parang wala na siyang babayaran. So the next time, regardless of the bank amortization niya, ang thinking niya na anyway, nagpa-property rental naman ako, di ba? So hindi niya na in-mind yung bank amort niya kahit na mahal dahil in-anchor mo na yung kanyang mind na doon na siya mag-base na parang wala naman akong babayaran na ganito kalaki dahil nagpapa-property rental ako. Applicable ito sa mga naniniwala doon sa property rental talaga. No? Na meron namang mga iba talagang mga property rental na zero out nila yung kanilang bank amortization. Alright? So napakaganda po ng when you anchor your price to somewhere. Like example, very common din yung competitor price natin, ina-anchor natin. Ma'am, sa kanila ganito, sa amin ganito, no? So yan, anchoring din yan, right? So ibig sabihin, bago nyo po ipalabas yung presyo ninyo or whatever, meron i-prepare mo muna yung mind ni client na something na kung idiga mo na yung presyo na yon, hindi na siya makakatanggi. Kasi yun ang iniisip ng brain niya. Right? Next is sales mirroring, no? If you're familiar with sales mirroring, nako, this is how to conduct sales mirroring. Kumbaga, mini-mirror mo yung client mo. Number one, mimic body language. Very effective daw ito para makasabay po si client ninyo. Kung table-to-table discussion, pag naka-forward yung body ni client, parang ganito, kailangan naka-forward ka rin. Diba? Pag nakasandig daw yung client nyo sa upuan, kailangan nakasandig ka rin. Use a similar tone of voice. Ano ibig sabihin niya? Pag medyo malaki yung boses niya, medyo astig, dapat yung boses mo medyo astig pa rin. Alright? Pag medyo mahina naman yung boses niya, medyo pa-cute-cute ka rin ng boses para hindi naman mahiya si client. So yun yung sales mirroring na tinatawag. Adapt their communication style. No? Kung true call, dapat true call yung ating communication. Kung text message, kung Viber, Viber, 'di ba? Ganon. Kung saan sila andyan. Kung English, English ka rin. Kung Tagalog, Tagalog ka rin. Of course, no, given 'yan. Talk about shared experience. Ito, very common to. Sinasabi ng iba na, wala, hindi man ako ano diyan, na ano lang yung ano ko, yung unit ko, hindi ko man na pakinabangan, 'di ba? Yung nagkuha ako dati ng condo pero hindi naman napakinabangan. So sometimes as agent, I know you have so much no na mga experience. So you talk about it na meron ka ring same experience with that. Ma'am, alam mo ma'am, pareho tayo kasi meron din akong client na ganito, may experience din yung ano. Alam mo bang ginawa namin? Ginanito namin. Ang ganda ng ng ginawa namin, no? So, kaya nakakasabay yung client natin. Pwede palang gano'n, 'di ba? Kasi minsan may mga ano tayo na, "Ma'am, alam mo ba yung unit namin, mahina naman yung ano, yung rental." So, ikaw as agent, ikaw din na as seller, so, "Ma'am, alam mo ba, meron din akong client na gano'n, no, na mahina yung rental niya. Yung ginawa namin ma'am ganito, pinaganda namin yung marketing niya, pinaayos namin yung unit niya, yung gano'n. Alam mo ba ma'am, pu-make-up. Ngayon mo happy na siya. So, at least nakaka-relate siya, puwede pala." So, at least naire-relay mo na hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon yung experience niya tama, okay? And then use gesture recognition. So, yun, right? Next, number 4, dalawa na lang, picture superiority effect, 'no? Ito yung sabi ng science, 'pag salita lang tayo ng salita at text lang tayo ng text, chat lang tayo ng chat, after 3 days, 10% na lang ang natitira niyang alam sa tinext mo, sinalita mo. While kung picture yung ginagamit mo sa presentation, after 3 days na nag-follow up ka, nare-retain niya pa rin yung iyong sinabi via the picture na binigay mo. Alright? So, napakalaking tulong po when you present to your client. Say something for Ion Blue. Mas maganda pag Ion Blue when you send it to your clients, mas maganda na uuna po yung video ng Ion Blue, 'di ba? Kaysa naman yung, "Harry, discount today, avail," parang parang ano, mas maganda sendan mo muna siya ng video, tapos magko-comment yan, "Ay, maganda lang ito, saan 'to?" That's the beginning of the conversation. 'Di ba? Kasi sometimes 'pag diretso, "Ma, meron kaming promo na ganito, alam mo ba may ma-waive yung ano mo, may 40% ka, may ano." Kahit nag-aano ka ano, baka baka hindi niya nababasahin 'yan. But you send a video, a picture, mas malaki po yung impact ng picture na yon at saka ng video na yun. Kahit na hindi mo siya i-follow up ngayon, next day sabihan mo, "Ma'am, naalala mo yung gi-send ko na picture?" 'Di ba? Sabi niya, "Ay baka napakaganda." So, meron pa rin siyang retention. So, again, during your presentation, wag lahat text, wag lahat salita, bigyan mo siya ng picture, bigyan mo siya ng video, mas superior 'yun, no, during your presentation. Alright? The last one is using stories, no? So, the story is always ganito, meron kang, before may customer ka may problema, "Ma'am, itong customer ko normally sa condo, ma'am normally," lalong-lalo 'pag investment na, "Ma'am, may client ako, alam mo ba palagi siya nag-o-open ng ano, ng business. Meron siyang ganitong business, may coffee shop business siya, may spa business siya." 'Di ba? So, problema ni customer masyadong mahina, and then minsan ninakawan siya ng kanyang ano, ng kanyang employee, minsan wala na siyang oras ng ganyan, napapabayaan niya yung negosyo niya, eh, hindi maganda yung business niya, in short. Ngayon ma'am, nilagay ko siya dito sa property rental dahil less hassle, mas hindi masyadong ano yung monitoring. So, less yung monitoring ko, naging happy si customer. Gusto niya lang passive income, tuloy-tuloy na income, kaya naging happy siya. So, before, after naging happy, and then you bridge. So, you bridge that your product is your solution. Alright? So, yung property rental ngayon, ito po yung sinasabi namin na pinakamagandang investment opportunity, pinakamagandang business opportunity sa lahat po ng gustong mag-business. Lalong-lalo na sa mga taong walang oras, walang focus, walang expertise, walang experience, napakaganda ng property rental business or property rental investment. Alright? So I think yun lang muna, and of course, sa susunod na mga Aeon Academy Online, marami pa tayong topic. Lalong-lalo na yung closing sales presentation at iba pang mga topics na maaari nating ma-share sa inyo at para naman makatulong din sa atin pag-close ng sales. Ayan.
Alright, very informative yung sinabi ni Sir Jester. So, lahat ng mga yon, it's actually a big help, especially sa pag-close. Even what struck me the most is yung mirroring sa clients nyo. At the same time, yung getting to know kung ano yung mga pinpoints or pain points ng mga clients niya and how Ian Lux Properties projects can help encourage na na para sa kanila talaga yung mga condo units, no? Now, any questions during those presentation of Sir Jester from earlier or just recent? Meron ba questions? No questions? Sir Jester, I think they're all good. No questions. How about the sales manager? Anything you would like to say sa mga brokers nyo, sellers, or unit managers na present dito sa ating AN Academy Online?
O like naman tayo doon sa mga ganahan pa. Gusto nyo pa ba ng more topics at Aeon Academy Online? Also drop your topics so you would like to include during the Aeon Academy Online. All right, Boss Lex, our Vios incentive, bago lang nakatanggap si Boss Lex ng Vios niya.
Wow! Canada time?
No? So, salamat kay Boss Lex for coming in. And more videos to come, guys. No? Salamat kayo. And I hope to see you all on August 29. The secret is just bring client. No matter kung na-close ba na siya or kung willing ba siya, so long that is qualified. So, you can have our ticket or standard ticket discount at 50%. Pag ma-close naman, libre na po kayo. No? Let's watch and let's enjoy Aeon Kadayawan Night with Aeon Lux on August 29 with Wang Ising TV. No? All right. Ayan.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Sir Jester, and everyone here. Sorry, sa attendees. Ayun. So see you all on August 29 sa ating Aeon Lux Kadayawan Night. That will be a gag show and also having some camaraderie sa lahat ng mga sellers natin. So hopefully, lahat ng andito, makikita namin kayo during that night.
May I request everyone to open their camera and then let's have a screenshot of everyone here, di ba? Oh, yan.
Yun.
Yan. Boss Lex, nagda-drive na ng bagong Vios si Boss Lex.
Ay, nakauwi na pala si Boss Lex.
Congratulations. Kayo na, no? Boss Lex, sila nang susunod na owner ng Vios, di ba? Kaya na, boss.
Bomba.
Sabi, no? Ayan. First hand experience, automatic. 1 unit, 1 Vios, no?
Wow. Ayun, meron pa mga hindi naka-open ng camera. We would like to request everyone na open ang camera para makapag-picture tayo.
Money. Boss. 1 unit, boss. Boss Antonio, good morning. Salamat. Boss Aaron. Ayan. Salamat sa tanan and if you have questions kung gusto niyo din makuha ang Vios, approach your sales manager and meron na tayong branch sa Gensan. So gusto mga unit managers natin na mag-expand sa Gensan, na tayo branch dito. Naa sila si Regional Sales Director LV na mag-asikaso sa inyong mga agent. So malay nyo, kayo na ang next Vios partner. Salamat sa tanan and God bless us all.